What's up, YouTube? This is Scat Pack Ty here. His first video. About to go get my first car, Scat Pack.
Riding in the motherfucking Scat. Hey, bitch. 180 on the dash, you can't catch. Hey, that. Come catch me. I don't smoke weed, we can match. Racks. The money. Bitch smack me, she get smacked. Don't tell your brother. Riding in the motherfucking Scat. Hey, 180 on the dash, you can't catch. Come get me. I don't smoke weed, we can match. Racks. The money. Bitch smack me, she get smacked. Don't tell your turnarounds, pulling turnaround after turnaround. It's funny how she wanna suck my dick cause I get money now. It's funny how these niggas get real tough when it get sunny out. This 100 round. This bitch shoot all day, it ain't no running out. Been getting to the money, ain't had time for the beef. No. And when you getting money, ain't no time for the tweeting. It's not. Hit the road Monday and come home Wednesday evening. Made enough to go to Disney World for a season. Hey, smooth nigga, cash they ain't get respect, cause we move different. Cool niggas, any disrespect, then we move niggas. We fool niggas, I ain't go to class, but I can school Melly fool niggas. He can't fix no car, but got his tool with him. Riding in the motherfucking Scat. Hey, 180 on the dash, you can't catch. Hey, that. Come catch me. I don't smoke weed, we can match. Racks. Bitch smack me, she get smacked. Don't tell your brother. Riding in the motherfucking Scat. Hey, 180 on the dash, you can't catch. Come catch me. I don't smoke weed, we can match. Racks. The money. Bitch smack me, she get smacked. Don't tell your Scat brother. Cost me 50 racks. Racks. Niggas really rats. Yes, I be in the jets. Hey, just to be exact. Just blew a couple racks trying to get them back. Need them back. If you from out of town, then you getting jacked.
You hear my shit, nigga? You hear my shit? You know what that is?